Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're at Foster Freeze. Some cars are already pulling in, as you can see.
I think you're right.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Right? I know.
Is that what they mean? No, they bought. I wouldn't mind doing beats out here. I feel like it's kind of in the mornings, yeah. I think in the mornings would be good.
Morning ones are usually chill.
Yeah, they're hella.
Yeah.
And I like them.
I do, I like them.
Oh, either.
Right.
You got hella, man, huh?
The other little boy said that's but you can get retaining everything you want. So, see? Next week I want to training a lot of them are non-verbal. No, just the we're trying to teach him to use his words. Like he won't use it. The 11-year-old is verbal, but you have to kind of remind him it's kind of just repetitive. The little girl goes, oh, I give you but he says okay, and then yeah, he plays pretend he's a smart guy.
Paramos como 5 carros aquí, 5 carros allá. Voy por la foto de una please. On the 9th, yeah, there you go. Yeah, I did say the 3rd, you're right. I wasn't too sure on the date. I remember I saw it somewhere. Yeah. At least to my
What was it? Like a month ago? Especially now with my job, I was on the hair. Like a week, but I don't want my hair falling out. Mine's your like your hair oils and your hair. And now I always have my hair put away. So.
Well, this is like strong. I think this is always gonna be us, like. Just trying to grab it.
You just want no, but you were. I don't think you were. Yeah. Never mind. Yeah, I couldn't roll down the window so my friend could.
Where the hell did they go? Oh. I didn't realize it. Yeah, you should go for it.
Where do you get? What is it? Let me see. When are you gonna know where you're from?
My car's already going.
Who is he?
It's over there and everything.
Oh, so now you have to hear one of those that goes over the bump kind of to the side.
I have to.
And then there's me.
Tomorrow I changed my color. And then they're gonna change color. I can see it on my phone. And then we came from Buffalo too. We're riding. They almost made me cry.
Damn. Oh my god.
I did it, but
Oh, you're gonna get yelled at.